So in this problem, we have two objects, A and B, of masses 4 kilos and 7 kilos respectively, are moving along a smooth horizontal plane towards a wall. Object A is travelling at 10 metres per second and object B is travelling at 5 metres per second as shown. So this is the situation. We have A, B and we have the wall. Object A and object B collide, after which object B hits and rebounds off the wall before colliding with A again. The coefficient of restitution between A and B is 3/8 and the coefficient of restitution between B and the wall is 1/4. Find the speed of A after the second collision. Okay, so we're going to have to do this in a few pieces. So first of all, let's focus on the two particles bumping into one another. So this is my before and then after. So we have A and B, 4 kilos and 7 kilos. And let's say these velocities are P and Q. I don't know whether P is actually going to the right or not. If A is still travelling to the right or not, we'll find out in a moment. Now we've got the conservation of linear momentum. Okay, so we can do that first. So we've got 4 times 10 plus 7 times 5 must be equal to 4 times P plus 7 times Q. Okay, so 4P plus 7Q must be equal to 5 7s are 35 plus 40, so 75. Okay. Now we know that the coefficient of restitution between A and B is 3/8. So the speed of separation, Q minus P, divided by 10 take away 5, the speed of approach, must be equal to the 3/8. So Q minus P must be equal to 5 lots of 3/8, so 15/8. So therefore I can solve these simultaneous equations to work out P and Q. So I'm just going to bung those straight on the calculator. So 4, 7 and 75, and then I've got minus 1, 1 and 15/8. Okay, so I'm getting for P 5.625 or 45/8. I'll leave it as a fraction, 45/8. And for Q, I'm getting 15/2. Okay, so they're both still travelling to the right after that. So, next stage. A and B have collided. So now we're going to consider particle B hitting the wall. So it's going to hit the wall with a speed of 15/2 meters per second. So here's the wall. And then it's going to rebound, and this is what I need to find. It's going to rebound with the speed of, let's say, r meters per second. Now I know that the coefficient of restitution between B and the wall is 1/4. So the speed of separation, r, divided by the speed of approach, 15/2, must be equal to 1/4. So that implies that r is 15/2 times 1/4, which is 15/8. Okay, so that's the speed with which B then rebounds. So now we need to look at particle B having rebounded, now hitting A again. So the before picture looks like this. We've got particle A of mass 4 kilos. We know that it is travelling at 45/8 meters per second. And that's to the right. We have particle B, which has rebounded from the wall, now travelling to the left with a speed of 15/8 meters per second. Okay. Now, after the collision, we don't know the direction that the particles will be travelling. I'm going to let A be travelling to the right with p meters per second, and Q to the right with, B to the right with Q meters per second. Okay, so now we can utilise the conservation of linear momentum. So we have 4 times 45 over 8. Then we have plus 7 times minus 15 over 8. Be careful because it's travelling to the left. And that's going to be equal to 4 times P plus 7 times Q. So 4P plus 7Q will be equal to 4 times 45 over 8, take away 7 times 15 over 8. And that's 75 over 8. Now the coefficient of restitution between A and B was 3/8. So the speed of separation, which is Q take away P, divided by the speed of approach, which is 45 over 8, take away minus 15 over 8, is going to be equal to the 3/8. So 45 over 8 plus 15 over 8, and then times that by 3/8 is 45 over 16. So therefore we can work out P and Q. So using our simultaneous equation solver on the calculator. So we have 4, 7, 75 over 8, and then we've got minus 1, 1, and 45 over 16. And we have that P is minus 15 over 16, and Q is 15 over 8. So that means that B is travelling to the right, but A is travelling to the left. So the speed of A after the second collision, which is what we wanted to find, is actually equal to 15 over 16 meters per second.